Welcome to IV360. In this video, we are going to discuss the number 4, 5 and 6 problem. So the number 4 problem is, consider 11a equals to 11 factorial divided by a factorial into 9 factorial. Find the value of a. This is a very easy question, but for this you need to remember the formula. The formula is nr bracket is equals to n factorial, the notation n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So this is the formula. Now we just need to put the formula here. That is, if it is 11a, if it is 11a, then it is equals to, according to this formula, if we apply this formula here, then it will be 11 factorial divided by r factorial. So it is a factorial into n minus r factorial, that is 11 minus a factorial. So this is the formula if we try to apply it in our question. So from here we are getting, if we compare, this is equals to 11 factorial divided by a factorial 9 factorial. So from here you can see I am giving more clarification. This and this equals, these are equal. A factorial is equals to a factorial. So this part must be equals to this part. So for this I will do 11 minus a is equals to nothing but 9. So a equals to 2. This is the answer of the first question, that is a equals to 2. So find the value of a, it is 2. Now hence or otherwise find the coefficient of the term in x to the power 9 in the expansion of x plus 3 whole to the power 11. Okay, so this is one expansion. The expansion is telling to expand this x plus 3 whole to the power 11, x plus 3 whole to the power 11, where we have to find out the coefficient of x to the power 9. Okay, so for this we will try to find out the rth term, the formula for rth term, formula for the rth term. So the, if we apply the formula, then it will be nr, then a to the power n minus r into b to the power r, where the it comes from the expansion of a plus b whole to the power n. So now we just need to compare all these equations, compare these two equations, and we will find out the value of the x to the power 9 from x plus 3 whole to the power 11. So here n equals to 11, we got that. Now r equals to 9, this also we have got. Now we need to find out the value of the coefficient of x to the power 9. We need to find out this. Okay, so for this the formula I will write, see here, this part you have to see here. See the formula, that is t of r plus 1 is equals to nr a to the power n minus r and b to the power r. So from here the value of you can see the value of here, not this is not r, this will be the value of the coefficient, that is a power n, power 9. Okay, now we will derive the r. So it is basically nothing but 11r x to the power 11 minus r into 3 to the power r. Now from this equation we just have to give it a try, that is in this way. Here you can see it is just in the form, 11a, it is just in the form that we got 11r. So from here we can get, that is 11 minus r, from the previous equation we can write 11 minus r equals to 9. Just we are comparing these two equation. So this is basically r factorial. This is basically, just let me give you more clarification on this. So this is basically, it is 11 factorial divided by, from here you are getting r factorial into 11 minus r factorial. So it is 9 factorial. You can see it is 9 factorial. So 11 minus r equals to 9. So r equals to 2. We have got the value of r. Now the value of r is, here I am writing n equals to 11 and r equals to 2. So from here we have got that is 11 2, then x to the power 9 and 3 to the power 2, and also you can get the value of r from this equation, that is 11 minus r, this must be equals to 9. 11 minus r equals to 9 because the power must be 9. This is x to the power 9, the power must be 9. So from here we are getting this equation. Now the value of the coefficient is 11 2 into 3 square into x to the power 9. Now how we will find out the value of 11 2? So this is the formula that we need to apply, that is 11 factorial into 2 factorial into 9 factorial. So the calculation will be in this way, that is 10 into 11 divided by 2 factorial into 9 factorial into 9 factorial. So in for 11 factorial we have divided it in 9 factorial into 10 into 11. So we are cancelling out this. So the thing will be, here we will multiply it. So it will be 9 into 10 into 11 into 11 divided by 2 is equals to, this is 495. So the thing is, the coefficient is, this will be 495 x to the power 9. 495 x to the power 9. So hence or otherwise find the coefficient of the term x to the power 9 in the expansion x plus 1 whole to the power 11. The answer is 495. So in this way you need to calculate this.